My name is Tiffany Richardson. The grade and subject I will be wanting to teach is math in kindergarten. My topic is comparing tall and short measurements. My big idea is many different attributes can be measured even if we are only measuring one item. My essential questions are: why do we need standardized units of measurements, and why do we measure? The Common Core that I will be addressing is describe measurable attributes of objects such as length or weight, describe several measurable attributes of a single object. The objectives my students will do is they will know the difference between short and tall objects. They will be able to describe different characteristics of the object being measured: weight, length, capacity, or height. They will also be able to compare two common objects and see which one has more or less of. The materials and technology needed would be measuring charts as guide, computer with internet and YouTube access, and building blocks. For the introduction, I will have a tall and short action song. I have the link right here that you could just click and watch. First, I will sing the song along doing the hand motions to show the difference between tall and short, and then all together we will sing the songs and do the hand motions. For my class activities, before I separate into groups of two, I will have students participate by lining up and doing different poses for example, pretending to be a tall tree versus being a short tree, or a tall box versus a short box. I will then break my groups into two, provided with a sheet. Each will have to build the tower shown on the sheet and compare. We will do this activity to get a sense of the different measuring attributes and to compare based off of those. For my closing, my students will tell their neighbors 3 things they have learned today, and afterwards, one student from the group will tell the class one of the 3 things learned. I would also have my students prepare a cheat sheet that could be useful for a quiz. For my assessments, I will provide a worksheet through the 5 questions, not intended for a grade, but to see if they can apply the knowledge correctly. For accommodations, I would have vocabulary cards with pictures describing the term, and reduce the amount of practice problems with extra time to work on them. For my reflection, I will end the lesson by providing my students 5 to 10 minutes max, an exit slip to answer the questions, concerns about anything they may not understood or need more clarification. Thank you.